In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again in virtual learning of Pakistan International School TAI. This is your science class. Today we will do unit number 6, Animals Exercise. Video number 14. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Unit number 6, Animals. First, I want to revise question answers of this unit. Already you have studied, but now I want to revise because these question answers are difficult for you. So listen again. Question answers. Question number 1. What are tame animals? Look at this question. What are tame animals? Its answer is animals which live with us are called tame animals. Animals which live with us are called tame animals. Okay, now question number 2. Name 5 wild animals. Name 5 wild animals. In right name of 5 wild animals. Answer is number 1, tiger, monkey, lion, bear, and snake. Tiger, monkey, lion, bear, and snake. Okay. Now question number 3. What do animals need to live? What do animals need to live? Its answer is animals need food, water, and home to live. Animals need food, water, and home to live. Okay. Now listen again. Question number 1. What are tame animals? Animals which live with us are called tame animals. Okay. Animals which live with us are called tame animals. Question number 2. Name 5 wild animals. Answer. Number 1 is tiger, monkey, lion, bear, and snake. Okay. Listen again. Tiger, monkey, lion, bear, and snake. Now question number 3. What do animals need to live? Answer is animals need food, water, and home to live. Animals need food, water, and home to live. Okay, students, these are question answers, and now inshallah you will read it, okay, with me. Listen again one time. And also read with me. You should know reading first and then you can learn. Okay. Number one. What are tame animals? Animals which live with us are called tame animals. Question number two. Name 5 wild animals. Number one. Tiger, monkey, lion, bear, and snake. Now question number three. What do animals need to live? Answer. Animals need food, water, and home to live. Okay. Now memorize these question answers. Okay. Now look at again page number 26. And you can see in this page there are, in here you can see one picture, and in this picture you can see different animals. Okay. And I want to share this page because with the help of this page we will do exercise. Question number 2. Okay. So first just revise it and keep in your mind some animals. Look at this picture, and this is the garden, and in this garden you can see different animals. First one, fish. Okay. And where is fish? In the water. And also this bird, it looks like a sparrow. I think it is a sparrow. And third one, cat. You can see here, cat. And where is cat? It is on the land. And rabbit. Where is rabbit? Also you can see on the land. Butterfly. Mostly butterfly you can see on the flowers, but it is butterfly lives on the land. And also bee. Also you can see here bee on the flowers, but also you can see bee and butterfly around you, but these two animals can fly. Okay. These are insects, butterfly and bee. Okay. And third one, here you can see ants. Okay. Now keep in your mind, I will ask question related to these animals. Which animals live on the land, which live in the water, and which animals can fly? So just keep in your mind: fish, sparrow, cat, rabbit, butterfly, bee, and ants. Okay. Now this is the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the table below with your teacher's help. Some animals: lion, cat, and giraffe. First of all, you have to tell about these animals, where they live and what they eat. First one, about lion, where they live. Anyone knows about this one? Lion live in the jungle. Why? Because this is wild animal. Okay. Lion lives in the jungle. Why? Because lion is the wild animal. And what They eat. Mean what can lion eat? Anyone knows about this one? Lion is a herbivores or carnivores? What lion can eat? Lion eats meat. Okay? Lion eats meat. So lion is a carnivore. Now next about cat. Cat. All of you have seen cat, and mostly cat is a pet animal. You can see at your home, and if you don't have, then around your home, outside of your home, you can see. So what can eat cat? Cat. So where cat lives? Cat lives in home mostly because cat is a pet animal. So cat lives in a home. Now what can eat cat? Cat eats meat and also drink milk. Okay, because sometimes there is no milk, so cat can eat meat. So cat is a pet animal also in your home and outside your home, you can say it. Now third one, giraffe. Anyone have seen giraffe? Anyone have visited the zoo? Yes, mostly I think you have seen giraffe. And where they live? Also live in the jungle. Also live in the jungle, but also you have seen in the zoo. Okay. And what can eat giraffe? Giraffe can eat leaves. Why? Because due to its long neck. Also you will see in this video. So giraffe can eat leaves. There are two types of animals. One grazers and another one browsers. So what are grazers? Grazers feed only on grass like zebra, and browsers feed on leaves like giraffe. Giraffe is a browser. Why giraffe is a browser? Because giraffe can pluck leaves from trees and also bushes. Why? Due to its long neck. Understand? Now question number 2. Look at the first picture of the animals in the garden. Which of the animals live on land or in water, and which of them can fly? Okay, in picture, in previous page I show you this picture, page number 26, picture of garden, and also you have seen there different animals. There are 7 different animals. Now look at this picture and write in these columns which of the animals live on the land or in water, and which of them can fly. First one, live on land. Rabbit, cat, ant. Okay, these animals you have seen in that picture. Rabbit, cat, and ant. These animals live on land. Now next one, live in water. Fish, fish. Fish live in the water. Fish live in the water. Also you have seen in that picture. Now third one, which animal can fly? Butterfly, bee, and sparrow. Okay, butterfly, bee and sparrow. These three animals can fly. Butterfly and bee both are insects, and sparrow is a bird. Okay, now listen again. Question number 1. Fill in the table below with your teacher's help. First, you can see here names of some animals. Now you have to write about these animals, where they live and what they eat. First one, about lion. Lion lives in the jungle, and lion can eat meat. Now what about cat? Cat lives in home and eat meat and milk. Now giraffe. What about giraffe? Lives in the jungle and eat leaves. Okay. Now question number 2. Look at the first picture of the animals in the garden in page number 26. There is one picture of garden, and look at this picture, and there are 7 different animals. Out of these animals you have to choose, and you have to write about animals, which one live on the land, live in water, and which animals can fly. Now live on land. Rabbit, cat, ant, and live in water. Fish. Fish live in the water and can fly. Butterfly, bee, and sparrow. Butterfly and bee both are insects, but both have wings, so they can fly. And sparrow is a bird, and sparrow also have wings, and sparrow can fly. Okay. Now next page, page number 30. This is activity. Okay. Question number 1. Visit the zoo with your class. Make a list of all the animals you saw there. Now you cannot go to zoo, so when you will go, then you can make a list of animals. Then when you will come in the class, inshallah, then you can share with your class fellows, with friends. Okay, what you have seen in the zoo. Understand? Keep in mind this question. Inshallah, when you will go in the zoo, when you will visit there, then make a list of animals. Okay. Now question number 2. In the picture below are some wild animals. Color them and label them correctly. Now first look at this one. Also you have studied about this one. I mean, where it lives and what can eat. So which one is this? It is giraffe. Okay. It is giraffe. Now you can color this giraffe. Now next one, you can see here. This is drawing, but which animal is this? Monkey. This is monkey. Now you can color it. Okay. Now this one. Which animal is this? It is lion or tiger? Lion. Which animal is this? Lion. Now you color this line. Okay. Now last one is here. This one. Which animal is this? Zebra. Which animal is this? Zebra. Okay. This one is giraffe. This one is monkey. This one is lion. And this one is zebra. Okay. Now this is activity. You can do this activity anytime. Okay. Now again page number 31. This is also activity, and question number 3. Keep a bowl of goldfish in the classroom. Watch how they move. What will you feed them. But this is not possible. You cannot come in the school and we can't do this activity in the classroom. So do this activity at home. Okay? I mean, keep a bowl of goldfish. Also, you can see here with water and watch its active movement, how it can move, and also what will you feed them. So do this activity at home. Now, question number 4, make animal masks using paper plates. Inshallah, we will do this one in this video next. Question number 5, some insects fly and some crawl. Write the names of 2 flying animals and 2 crawling insects. Okay. Also, we will do this activity, this question in this video. And question number 6, do you keep any animal as a pet? Now this question is upon you. If you have pet at home, then you can write about this pet. If you don't have, then leave this question. Okay. And draw your pet in your book. Describe what it looks like and how it moves. What do you feed it? Where do you keep it? Okay. If you have any pet at home, then you can write these 4 questions about your pet. I mean, like cat, like parrot, or fish, anything. If you have, then you can do these 4 questions. If you don't have, then skip this question, leave it. Okay. Now we will do question number 4 and 5. Question number 4, make animal masks using paper plates. First one, which animal is this? This is the mask. This is the animal's mask. Okay. Which one is this? Tiger. Tiger. And number 2, which one is this animal's mask? I mean, this is the face of the animal. Okay. This is the rabbit. Now number 3, which animal's mask is this? Anyone have seen? This is the monkey. This is the monkey. Now look at this one. Very beautiful. Which one is this? Cat. Cat. Okay. Now fifth one is this? Panda. Panda. Also you have studied about panda in KGs. KG1. Okay. P for panda. Now last one is lion. Okay. Now again look at this picture. Tiger, rabbit, monkey, cat, panda, and lion. Okay. Now you can make these animals masks by using paper plates at your home. This is activity. If you can do, then welcome. If you can't do, then no problem. Okay. This is just for your enjoyment. Now question number 5. Some insects fly and some crawl. Write the names of 2 flying and 2 crawling insects. Now first you should know about flying animals and then flying insects and crawling insects. Which one are flying insects? Flying insects, what is a flying? How you can define it? Flying insects able to move through the air with wings. These animals, these insects have wings, and with the help of wings, these insects can fly. You can see here butterflies. Butterflies can fly. And what is this? Bee and fly, house fly. Also you have seen in your home, even in the school, even outside, in the garden, anywhere you can see this fly. Okay, so butterflies and honeybee and housefly can fly. These are flying insects. These can fly with the help of wings. Where? In the air. Okay, these are the flying insects. Now, what about crawling insects? Also, you have to write names of crawling insects. Anyone have seen crawling insects? First, you should know about crawling. What is a crawling and how insects can crawl? So insects move forward on the hands and knees or by dragging the body close to the ground. It is called crawling. Now which one can crawl? Which insects can crawl? Now you can see in this picture ants, ants and also centipedes. Okay, ants and centipedes. These insects can crawl. These are crawling insects. And these are butterflies and bee and housefly are flying insects. Okay, this is just activity. If you want to do, you can do. Otherwise, no problem. You can do this activity anytime. Okay. Again, I want to share with you these pages and you can do this activity with the help of these pages. First one you can see here, page number 26, and also first you look at this page and keep in your mind which animals are here. Then you can do exercise with the help of this page. Now this is exercise you can do with the help of whole lesson animal, but question number 2 is specific for that picture. Okay, and this is page number 30. This is also activity. Also I told you names of these animals. Now you can write and color it, color these animals. Okay, this is page number 31. This activity also question number 3 do at home, and question number 4 make animal masks by using paper plates. And also you have seen there are 6 animals masks you can make, no problem, not all, any 1 2 3 4 5, anyone you can make. And question number 5 also we have studied about this one, but question number 6 it's upon you. If you have pet at home you can do, if you don't have pet then no problem, no need to do this one. Okay, just enjoy these activities about of today's. Okay, and do it. Okay, anytime you can do. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this lesson. This is very interesting, so enjoy it and try to do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.